Okay, Lana, you ready to see the new house?
Yeah, my legs are so sore from this bike.
Yeah, it's taking us like a day to get here, and we didn't have a call or a plane. Nathan's coming here on a plane. Did you hear that?
He's gonna, he's
So, according to my calculations, the house is right.
What is this?
What?
Well, I guess it's gonna be really big. It was really expensive.
Yeah, and it has what the?
What is this?
This is a piece of junk.
Did you You forgot to check the photos, didn't you?
I did one of those virtual reality, reality real estate things, and I guess I got ripped off.
Oh my.
So the driveway's wood. That's great. Oh, handle's rusty. Pipes right here.
There's nothing in here.
The cushion is wood. Lamps all over the place. Check out
Is this supposed to be a couch? 2 chairs?
There's 3 people here. Living here. Let's check out the garage. What the?
What is it? I guess I'll put my bike in here. Oops.
I'll sleep in here. You and Nathan can sleep in the other bedroom.
Why is it door blocking it?
Okay, I guess you and Nathan can sleep in here.
What's the kit? Is this supposed to be a kitchen?
How do you cook stuff? Why is there a window door for a bathroom? I think I'm going to throw up.
Oh, am I staying in puke?
Is that a window right in front of the shower? That is. Oh my.
What is it?
What? Hey, I think we got ripped off on me.
Yeah, because you didn't look at the photos without virtual reality.
There's a room upstairs.
Let's check it out.
I can't get it open.
Let me try. Oh, it's locked.
Let's kick it, Lennon.
What?
Man, this is a really strong door. Guess we'll just have to kick it open someday. Let's check out the pool.
Yeah.
What? Do we even have a pool? I think this is just puddle from the rain.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's the pool. Oh my. What is this rusty wall? What's around here?
Oh. I have some money. I'll get someone. I'll pay someone to knock it down.
Yeah. I got some money left.
I got like $1,000 in my bank account.
Yeah.
We may be able to build this house a little bit better soon.
Yeah, and what is wrong with these stairs?
Yeah, it's like pulling out the wall. Not to mention the only room up here is locked.
Yeah. You gotta do something about this floor. Like seriously.
Yeah.
So I'll go to walk.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Do we have a computer or anything?
Stand still. I guess I'll go to walk and you go clean up that stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Just do that, okay? Just do that and I'll go to walk.
I'm gonna see if we have a mop around the house.
Nathan's gonna hate us.
Correction, he's gonna hate you. What
Thanks,
is
Ryan,
this? A
just blame
phone
it
at
all
the
on me.
mailbox? What is this?
What?
There's a phone at the mailbox.
Huh. Just ignore that.
Yeah.
I'll
guess.
get a job at Mike's Motors.
Are you sure?
Some red paint on my bike would look great.
Okay, I cleaned up the bar. When will you be back?
I'd say 5 o'clock.
Okay, I'm gonna check my bank account. Are you kidding me? This phone doesn't even work.
Well, I guess it's probably rusty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nathan.
Oh, I think that there's one inside. Okay, there is.
Nathan's already on his plane, so he can't go back.
Oh, why have we ever go to this house? I'm just gonna make some.
We just wanted a house that we could all stay together in.
Or why couldn't we have gone one that wasn't like this?
I don't know.
I'm making some salad.
Yeah, I thought some would be nice. I got promoted.
What are you now?
This guy wants his bike purple.
We don't have a stove, do we?
No, you're not. Wow, but we have a microwave.
Yeah, well, that can't fry my food.
Okay, I'm just gonna come home. I'm gonna get a new job. This I got $117. It's okay. But
I guess at this point, what I should do is I should just get a box chart, and since we have a toaster, just toast it.
yeah. You clean up the box.
Wait, please don't tell me that there's old food in the fridge.
It probably is, isn't it? Nathan's gonna
I think I'm gonna puke.
Nathan's
There's moldy food.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'll
I
take care of
don't
that.
feel so good.
I'll take care of that tonight. Did you take care of the box? Okay, that's good.
I'm just gonna
shower.
lay down.
Oh my God! There's a window in the shower looking outside. What the heck?
At least there's that wall so nobody can see really.
Well, no one can see from. Well, what are we gonna do when we tear it down?
Oh yeah, maybe I'll break that glass.
Yeah. Oh my God! Is that the toilet? Is that green mold?
I'm breaking. Goodbye. I lasted for too long. Is this supposed to be the pipes?
Yeah. Look at my room. Look at my room.
What is this?
Look above you. Look above you.
The vent system? Ow, I just hit my head.
Oh. Why is there a window right there? Like, we need some more windows in here. And the cushions? Wood?
Oh yeah, guess what? So I checked my bank account on my phone.
Your phone
Guess how much money I have in it?
What? How much?
$20,000. So we'll get some of this stuff done.
Yeah, let's get some stuff done before, Nathan gets here and, I don't know.
Yeah, let's just work on the house.
Yeah. We'll work on that tonight. Let's make some box tops.
You've made one. They're okay to eat.
I'm going to eat some. I'm going to eat some oatmeal. It's very cold in here.
Wait. With that $2,000, maybe we can get a stove.
Yeah, maybe, but do we really need one?
Yes.
We got the microwave box tops.
But everything we know how to cook, really.
Yeah.
Is there anything not moldy in here? Oh my goodness! There's not moldy food in here. There's pie.
This pie? I wouldn't eat that. I wouldn't eat that. Hey,
I'm hungry.
Oh.
I'm hungry. Give me the food.
How does that taste?
Wait a minute. I can sell these headphones for like $50,000, dude.
$50,000? Are you insane? No one can buy that.
Well, I may have bought them for $50,000.
Dude, you are insane. Why?
Why
Why is there an outdoor table inside with a penguin lamp?
I don't know. I'm just turning it off so that our electricity bill isn't too high.
I'm gonna watch some TV.
Me too.
Oh,
Let's just
on a couch.
Let's just end the day and go to sleep, even though it's only 1.
Yeah. Oh, and we'll just walk on the house tonight.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some sleep.
See you tomorrow. Hopefully Nathan's here tomorrow. Okay. Night.
Night.
Good afternoon. Good night.
Yeah, good afternoon.